Here he is.
Hi, skaters.
Oh.
A little wobbly.
Mm-hmm.
Those are doing 180s, either off a ramp or a bank. They're so fun. We had a request to do these, so I'm learning them to try to show you how I'm learning as I'm going. A little tired right now, and it's hot out here in Florida. But to do these, I'll break it down a little bit. I think you should be more comfortable first off by doing your 180s on flat ground first, and then progress up to the ramps. So in this case, we're going to be going front side. Okay, so forwards. Feet are going to be staggered. We always talk about this. In my case, I'm doing a 180 to my right. So my feet are staggered with my left foot in the front and right foot in back. And as you're going up the ramp, you want to do you're just going to want to turn and hop. And then as you land backwards, you want to remember to look over your shoulder back where you're going. Okay, so because you're going to be landing fakie. So to do them on the ramp, I recommend doing them on something small like this right here.
Very small. Yes.
And what you want to do, go up to the ramp, and as you approach the ramp, you kind of crouch down real low, and then as you get to the top of this ramp, right where the transition meets the flat, right there, that's where you're going to be like your takeoff. You're going to take off right before the peak so that you land on the flat fakie, okay? So you're going to be taking off like right there and then landing like this backwards. And in my case, I continue and turn back to the right again. I'm not really comfortable with going to the left. So as I'm landing fakie, I have to switch my feet staggered to where I'm comfortable and then turn my head to the right and my shoulder as well, and look where you're going to go. And then you're going to be traveling like this on the flat, and same thing applies right here at the peak where it starts to go down. You want to take off like just before it, and this is going to vary depending on how much air you get. Once you get better at these, you're going to be able to do them much higher and farther. So you may want to, as you get better at doing these, take off further before the landing ramp, like somewhere in here, because you're going to be jumping further and landing. You want to land on that transition to keep your momentum, okay? So in this case, I'm traveling backwards, or fakie, and right here, I'm going to turn and jump and land right there. And then you're going to have a lot of momentum, okay? That's how to do it going front to fakie, all right? Now, to do it from fakie to front, it's a little bit similar, but it's also a little different. So you're going to be traveling fakie up this ramp, right? And it's the same thing. In my case, I'm leading with my right leg, going up. And as soon as I reach the peak, I'm going to load my legs, get low, and unspring and turn and land front side right on the flat. All right? Hard to walk up those ramps. So you're gonna be jumping from fakie to front. So when you get to there, same thing, you're gonna turn, look where you're going, jump and land. Now remember, the ramp's gonna send you up. So as you're rotating around, you don't wanna lean back at the same angle as its transition. You wanna realize that you're gonna be going from an incline to a flat. So you're gonna be in midair, you wanna try to bring your weight forward in front of you over your toes so you land more low and a little bit forward so that you don't loop out, okay? So we've gone from fakie to front, then we're gonna go fakie to front, jumping off the top down into the transition this way. This is kind of scary, but same thing. You wanna take off right here at the peak, and as you get better, take off further back so you catch that transition on the landing. So you just do like that, but you're going to land, you want to try to land right on that transition to keep your momentum. Okay, does that make sense? So those are in a nutshell how to do 180s from front to fakie to front on small ramps or banks. So We really appreciate the request from our subscribers. It keeps us learning new stuff, which is always so much fun. It keeps it interesting and challenging, because I'm not the best, but I like to learn stuff, and you guys are giving us ideas to learn new things, and it's really fun.
Can you show it again?
In full speed?
Yeah, because I know these things they really work with speed. Once
Okay,
yeah.
I'll try it. I'm gonna get some speed.
Okay.
And get up top.
All right.
I gotta get up over there.
He's gonna get over there. So now that he's broken it down, he is going to do it with speed and flow, right?
Yeah.
All right. Demo, please.
Demo. Up over.
Rock to fakie.
More fakie. Load. Up. Jump. Catch the transition.
Okay.
So those are really fun, you guys. So
I can see how you really want to be good at doing like pumping and rocking the fakie and that kind of stuff too, right? Good practice.
First off, learn that. And
yeah.
So, hopefully this little exercise was fun and challenging for you guys, and you can find it useful. So if you liked it, hit the like. If you want more content, please hit the bell, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.